So unlocking a tier couldn't be easier. You come up here and you go to daily and core and you hit your gear hub, and this is tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, and so forth, and it gives you all the information you need. These are all the tasks you need to complete chapter 5, which is tier 5, to move on to tier 6. And I mean, it's very simple. You obtain 2 tier 5 mechs, and then if you don't know what tier 5 mechs are, you can click on the highlighted letters or words and it will take you to what it's talking about. So it's really self-explanatory. Good luck.